Hey there fellow tech lovers and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at something a little bit different today. We're going to be looking at a Bluetooth speaker, not your average everyday Bluetooth speaker. We're looking at this. This is I think it's the Pixel by Divoom, or the Ditoo, sorry, by Divoom. It is a Pixel operated Bluetooth speaker. Quite good, eh? So, let's see what all this is about. Okay, so what exactly are we looking at with this little Bluetooth speaker? Well, if I move it this side and then get my phone, because it is app enabled, open the app and you're greeted with all these. Now, what you can actually do with this is you can actually add your own design. So we've gone into that. We can add one of these. It's the first time I'm using this, so okay. Should have had a bit more practice with the app, but anyway, we'll look through this now. You can actually play games through this as well. So we'll turn the volume down, put volume keys down and volume up, the brightness. It scrolls through all these little designs that come on screen. As we scroll through these, you can get lots of different designs. You can have a blank screen, and then we're back to the time. We can actually play games through this using the little joypad right here. So we want to start playing a game. Select which game you want to play. A bit loud. We'll just go back out of that because the missus is in bed and I don't want to wake her up. That's obviously for your time. You've got alarms, you've got an alarm function. You can set this for 12 midnight. Go back. You can either select the music for the speaker, alarm clock, settings. That's all to change your contrast, and then back to games. So let's see what settings we have in this. This will be your little OK button. Okay, not too sure what all that does. Oh, I get, yeah, times and stuff like that. Back to the game. Don't want to play games. Decibels and scrolling straight back through to that. That obviously is a countdown timer, so we'll clear that and go back to the times. So all in all, it is quite a decent little setup. So if we try and go through the app again, which to be honest I really should have had a bit more experience with the app. This would have been a bit interesting. But as you can see, even going through the app itself, you do have a lot of animations that you can add to your screen. Say for example, look at that one. So that's that one. I reckon you can download it. saved successfully. All these are on like a community, so loads of other people are doing similar designs, and then obviously they are uploaded to the community, which all these are then saved to your camera roll. There they are, all saved. Like so. And then we should find this device that will be listed as soon as it comes up. There we are, Ditoo audio. And then this is now synced to your phone, so there's no messing about. So, oh, clever. Yeah, I'm not too sure how to send stuff, but I think what we'll do is we'll do another video on how to use the app and how to send images from the app to this little speaker. But as you can see, sound quality is actually quite good. It's only a small speaker inside this. I think it's only about 10 watts or something like that, 10-15 watts. Not a massive amount of sound quality, but I shall move that. What you are getting in sort of sound quality is absolutely incredible. Turn it off. But the actual picture quality is absolutely amazing. I mean, if you look at the side, you do have a micro USB port and a micro SD card along with your power button. The speaker is situated at the top along with a bass port at the back, and it is quite nifty, quite portable, actually pretty damn good for what it is. These can retail anywhere between 50 to 60 to 70 pounds online. The price varies depending on where you go. So what we'll do is we'll go up to the main cam and have a little final thoughts section on this before we end the video. Okay, so final thoughts section. Let's get this camera right. Yeah, it'll be alright. So, final thoughts. What do we think of this? Well, first and foremost, it's really nifty. It is absolutely a great little device to have. Sort of using it before I actually did this review, the sound quality is really, really good. It's very clear, it's crisp, no crackling. There's quite a lot of deep bass on that, and that basically comes from there. That is down to the bass port at the back. Big, deep clarity as well. For a Bluetooth speaker at that size, you would, I don't know, you would expect to be really quiet, tinny sound like you would get from the old USB, old Bluetooth speakers back, I don't know, say 5-6 years ago. The sound quality in these speakers has improved vastly over the years, and you can tell straight away just by listening to this that the sound quality is impeccable. Also going, the actual screen itself. I mean, the screen is clear, it's large, it is really easy to see. Alright, it's pixelated, but that's the whole idea. It's designed to be pixelated. That's the whole point. It adds a retro feel to it, and it adds a bit of nostalgia for those that enjoyed the old retro gaming. Now, for these themselves, they come in all different kinds of styles and sizes. You can get this size, which is the retro PC size, in various colours. I think you've got white, blue, black. You've also got like an off blue, like a teal colour. You can also get them in retro TV styles, like the old 50s, 1960s style of TV. You can actually get them looking like that, and they are a bit more in price. You can get screens larger than this, which are sort of like twice the size of this, but not in this style. They can range anywhere from 100 to 150 pounds, depending on where you shop. But on first inspection and a closer look at this thing, it is absolutely brilliant. And for those that have got like a little man cave or a setup such as similar to what I do, one of these sitting in the background would be absolutely perfect. And that's, apart from using mine as a speaker, obviously, it is going to be sitting pride of place right behind me. Now, the second thing that is rather sort of confusing for me, because I'm thick and I'm an idiot, is the app. The app can take a lot of getting used to. For someone, as you just saw in this review, the first time using the app, it does look, as you can see, fairly straightforward. However, if you're wanting to, I don't know, put something on there which is your own, without scrolling through this, trying to find it can be quite difficult until you actually have a proper play with this, and when you find it. So what you generally tend to do is at the top of the thing there is an add a plus symbol, and what that does is it actually finds your device, it connects your device, so you know exactly what you're doing. As of right now, this has decided, I'm going to sneeze. Wow. This has now decided to do a firmware and software update. When you do order one of these, it comes in one of these nifty little bags. Little nifty bag also comes with what looks like a sort of mini fridge carry case. Isn't that cute? It's worth getting it just for the bag, really. I mean, I'll be keeping that. I'll be putting that somewhere. Don't know where. But here we go. A bit of technical information for you. It's a 10-watt tuned driver speaker, so that's where you're going to get your crystal clear clarity from. It does support 360 surround sound, which, from what I heard originally, you can sort of feel the vibe from this speaker. It has internet radio, pretty much like a smart speaker. So there you go. It doesn't have the Alexa built in. Don't say that word. It doesn't have that word. It has 256 programmable LEDs on it. That's where you're going to get your pictures from. Also, it depends on how intricate your images are. The more intricate the image, the difficult it's going to be for this to process it. So a simple image, you should be just fine. 8-bit pixel art creation, as we've just seen on the app. And as I've noticed, it does have an online community where I suppose you can sort of make your own designs and then share them to the community online. You know, they'll use your designs, and I suppose that's where you can pick up other designs that other content creators have made for this device on that little community tab. And you do have an online pixel art gallery. The firmware has updated itself, so we'll turn the speaker back on. It says, come on. There we go. If you can hear something in the background, it's the little pussycat. There we go. We are all good. We are all good. So let's go back to the design process. Add one that we have already downloaded. There we go. It shows it. Can you animate it? Convert to animation. Select. Confirm. Oops. There we go. Not exactly the animation that's on screen, but still, it's actually animated. Now, if we go back to the EDT logo, we tried to upload before, for some reason, it didn't like to upload it because of the way it is designed. I mean, that's the EDT logo. Yes, as you can tell, the actual image that it's trying to portray is a lot more intricate than what's on the phone. So with only having a certain amount of pixels, it's having a bit of difficulty trying to code that as to how it is. thanks for watching this video. It's been a rather quick journey and look at the Ditoo by Divoom. The app is available on iOS and the Play Store. It is free to download, and you've also got on there the online community. So if you're wanting new design ideas or want to upload your own ideas, you can upload it on there and share it to the Divoom community. As always, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please consider giving a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It all helps with the analytics. If you like previous videos and this one as well, please think about hitting the subscribe button and also that little bell notification where you will be updated on any future videos that this channel produces. Take a breath. It's always a mouthful getting that one out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. It's been a joy having a look at that little dinky, fantastic little Bluetooth speaker, which is going to be sat right there on my desk, pride of place. It is fantastic. It's the greatest thing to add to your man cave, should it be just gaming or a little place to relax. One of these should always be around because the sound quality is fantastic and they're just a joy to have. They are absolutely amazing. I love it. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. It's been a pleasure doing this video for you. Until the next video, thank you for watching, take care, and we'll see you soon.